Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about VLC media player tips and tricks. And in today's video, I will show you on how to add your logo or watermark to your video using VLC media player without losing the quality of the video. Let me show you how. Like for instance, this particular video here, I'm going to use it as an example. So what we want to do is to go ahead and play the video. And security, and in this video I will show you how to create it just like so. When you open up the video in the VLC media player, next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and come to the top right here, go ahead and click on tool. Under the tool, go to effects and filters, click on that. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on video effects. Under the video effect right here, next thing you want to do right here, or navigate to overlay. Then under the overlay, go ahead and click on add logo. The next thing you want to do here is to click on here to upload your logo file. Then one thing you need to pay attention to here is that your logo needs to be PNG file logo. So I'm going to go ahead and select from my download folder right here. Then go ahead and look for a particular logo. This particular logo here is what I'm going to use right here. You can see the logo size. The logo size is 256 by 256 pixel. So you have to take note of the logo size. I'm going to select the logo. You can see the logo is in PNG file format. Then go ahead and hit on open. And in a few seconds, you have the logo over here on your video. Then here, you can also work on the position of the logo. You can decide to increase it to the top, or better still, you can make it to the left. So the more you use this particular adjustment, the more the logo is going to be adjusted, so you can take it down more and more. Everything depends on what exactly you want to achieve as far as the position of the logo is concerned. You can also lower the opacity of the logo. You can see the more I turn down the opacity, the more the logo is blended in the video, and increase the opacity back. Once you are satisfied with everything, come down below right there, and click on save, then click on close. Now let's play the video for Google account security. And see sign in security. And go ahead and click on two-factor verification. Just like so, you can see the logo has been permanently added to my video right here as watermark. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your VLC media player like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.